Today I'm going to show you how to replace the brake disc and the brake pads for the Toyota Runx to model 2009. What you have to do, you jack up your car, put some stands, then now you loosen your caliper bolts, which is only 2 bolts, size spanner 13 or 14 sometimes. Then you remove the whole caliper by removing this nut, this bolt, not nut but bolt, size 17, the top one and the bottom one. Okay, now I have to loosen the caliper mounting bolts. Okay, it's loose. Go to the bottom one. The bottom one is just down here. Also loose. Okay, now you have to make sure that your piston is in, must be completed, and you have to press it in. Must be pressed in. Must be pressed in. As you can see, it's moving in. Move closer there. Moving in. And you have to use some force. As you can see, now I remove the mounting bolt for the caliper down. So you remove it down, up like this. Make sure that you hook it somewhere safe. It must not fall, or let someone to help you hold it for you. Let someone hold it for you. Okay, in this case my friend will help me to hold it. As you can see here, I'm also removing the old one. You can see that the old one is completely damaged. The groove is out. Cannot be skimmed even. Alright, I'm going to unpack the new one. Pack the new one. This is the new one. If you are not sure, you can still compare. It's the same. You can put it on top. Put the phone video on top. See it's matching. You go on this side. You put it on top. Pause it. You put on the new one. Make sure that there's no sand. As easy as like that. Then you install your new brake pads. You can put it in. Pause. Pause. Okay, now you install the caliper back. Okay, as you can see, the brake disc is in. So I'm putting now the brake pads. So easy, very easy. Then I put on back, as simply as such. Make sure that the adjusting bolt for the caliper is tightened, and the mounting for the caliper is tightened, and you put back your wheel. That's done. Sharp.